Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on Kettle brand potato chips. These are gluten-free, as you can see, certified, and non-GMO. So people always ask me for different snack options. These were in the health food section of the grocery store and they're on sale. I'll show you the ingredients. If you guys want to read that, pause it. And here's the 1 gram of sugar. Yeah, let's open this up and do a quick taste test for you guys. Here we go. So that's what they look like. There's actually not a lot in there, but look. Okay, so these ones taste it has a bit of that barbecue aroma. It's pretty subtly sweet. Not bad. And if you have any questions or comments, guys, post below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It has a nice, almost like a smoky aroma to it.